In many of our templates, particularly the beauty, health, and wellness, we have membership set up. So these are a great way to, of course, bring income coming into your business every month, whether it's for beauty services or fitness, or there's a lot of businesses that memberships are a perfect fit for. So I wanted to go ahead and show you how those work. So if you don't have memberships set up on your template and you want to add that, all you need to do is go to that app store right here and pull up Wix pricing plans. I think it is. There we go. And you can see here it's open on this site, but you would just add that to your site. So we're going to go ahead and go over to your dashboard and we're going to go into pricing plans. And you do need to, set up a payment method, obviously, so you can get paid for your subscriptions, upgrade that site. But you can see here I have a few samples, or if there aren't any, then you can create a plan. So let's go ahead and take a look in here, and I'll kind of give you a quick overview. So here you can kind of see the preview. So obviously your plan name, you can put a cover image, your description, and then you can put down here all the different things that are included in that particular plan. Right here, you can connect other benefits if you want to say booking services. Let's say you have a yoga studio and your membership includes 4 classes a month, then you can link that to those classes in your booking services. Pricing options, you can make it free. It can be a one-time payment, recurring payments that happen monthly, weekly, yearly, or you can customize that. Length of plan, you can make that any amount you want. You can also enable a free trial. And this is kind of cool. I'm going to show you this in a second, this page permissions, but I'm going to show you that on the editor. And then here's some different additional settings. You can allow people to cancel this online on their within their member account, let people start date, add a policy. And then right here too, you can also customize this thank you page. So what they'll receive after they sign up. So you might want to say like, thanks for signing up for our monthly yoga classes, whatever you want to put on there. So that's pretty much it. And you save that and you can make as many different plans as you want. And I'm going to show you one other thing in the editor here that's kind of cool. So with those pricing plans, you can actually make member only pages. So let me actually go to my site and let me make one of these pages. Let's go ahead and go to facial services. Obviously, we wouldn't want to make this private normally, but we're going to go ahead and go to permissions, members only. And then so you can have it be so that only people can access that page that are members of the site or only selected members or paying customers. So if you come down here, select from your pricing plans, and let's click one of these and apply. And then if we publish this site, let me show you what this is going to look like. Come to that menu and we try to go into those facial services, it's going to tell us that we need to sign up. Let's go ahead and sign up and see what happens. And then it's going to take us to this membership page that we need to go ahead and explore plans. So kind of cool. That's how it's going to look because this is the one that's going to allow us to get access to that page. So there's a lot of different functionality you can do with these memberships. And then one more thing, you're obviously not going to have any members in here right now, but when you do, all of your members are going to show up right here with their subscription status. So you can go in and see where everyone is at as far as their membership is concerned.